वित्त मंत्री ने कहा कि अर्थव्यवस्था और शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में डिजिटल लर्निंग एक्सप्रेशन के लिए इंटरनेट हब बनाया गया है। इससे शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में बेहतर प्रतियोगी माहौल मिलेगा।
Languages will be developed for delivery via internet, mobile phones, TV, and through radio and through digital teachers. A competitive mechanism for development of quality e-content by the teachers will be set up to empower and equip them with digital tools of teaching and facilitate better learning outcomes. A digital university will be established to provide access to students across the country for world-class quality universal education with personalized learning experience at their doorsteps. This will be made available in different Indian languages and ICT formats. The university will be built on a networked hub and spoke model, with the hub building cutting-edge ICT expertise. The best public universities and institutions in the country will collaborate as a network of hub and spoke.